Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Sublime Text Editor version number 4 on Windows operating system. Okay, first go to Sublime Text official website. It is sublimetext.com. See here the latest release is 4. This is the build number. Click on download or download for Windows. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is only 15 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file. Click on next. Ready to install. Click on install. See, setup is completed. Click on finish. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Sublime Text. Click on it to open. See, you got the Sublime Text Editor. This is the stable channel change log. Okay. See, you got the Sublime Text Editor. If you want to create new file, click on new file, unnamed. Now save the file. I'm saving this as new file.py. If you like define, see, colors are changed. Okay. See, this is the way. Okay. So we have successfully installed Sublime Text Editor number 4 on Windows operating system. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.